All right, so we're back. We're back in the shop. We're working on one of my favorite cars. I left off on this car last week before I had a major knee surgery, and I'm bipedal again. So I had a burr in my kneecap, a torn meniscus, and a torn lateral ligament. I fixed all that, and look at me. I'm finally got my boots back on for the first time today, and I'm still wearing a blood clot, what do you call that, hose, pantyhose type of thing. Don't tell anybody I'm wearing pantyhose, but I'm wearing a blood clot sock or long tube thing. Anyhow, enough about the personal stuff. So we got our Vespa on the lift, we got a wheel off, we got our wrenches all around. The last time that you saw this car, it was listing. In other words, the right rear wheel was tipped in a bit. I was like, why is that tipped in? Come to find out that we had a tore suspension, kind of like my ligament in my leg and my knee. This was ripped, right? Here, if I can show you this, get the light on there just right. I think you can see there's a rip in this control arm. It goes all the way around the back, all the way around, and almost ripped the whole thing off. I'm glad I checked that. So this is a homemade suspension from the 70s. I don't know who did it. I think the guy is long gone. I acquired this car in 2009, and it's had many owners, and there's not much history, but I believe this Volkswagen engine conversion on this Vespa was done in the early 70s. So over time, doing wheelies and just me playing around, I put new wheel bearings in it last season because they were driving me nuts. You can see the angle of that axle is not right. Nothing geometrically is right, but it works, believe it or not. It's got good, strong brakes. I do have to figure out the e-brakes. The spring drives me crazy. The air shock deal, the torsion bar, it's all just, it's kind of mad, but I got to fix what's broken. I don't want to be broken down the side of the road or injure any of my drivers or family. So I got to fix this and see if I can get it at more of an angle so that I get more positive camber or just neutral camber out of it. So I'm working on that. So I'm going to clean this up, wire brush off all this grit around here, see if I can get a good weld, maybe even plate this. I was lucky, I felt really lucky that I could loosen up those big nuts up here where this pivot's on enough to get this down and pivot and then weld that up. It's just kind of a combobulated mess in here of stuff, but it all serves a purpose, I guess. It's not my thing, but it is my car, and I love it. It's a great car. I also got to work on this hokey dokey Finoki e-brake system. I've never seen anything quite so hokey, but I'm going to order some new cables and see if I can clean this up and make it work better too. While I'm here, I'd like to have an e-brake that's all frayed. It's just really, that's like fishing lure stuff. It's just really hokey, but I don't know. It's what it is. So, all right, I'm back to work. You probably missed me. I did some basement videos over the last couple days while I was home recovering, and now we're back in the shop and see if we can get this thing banged out today. So, all right. Nice checking in with you guys. Hope you enjoyed checking in with me, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.